Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious vegetarian nachos in an air fryer. First, let's get our ingredients ready. You'll want about 1 cup of tortilla chips per serving. Dice up your favorite veggies such as bell peppers, red onion, and jalapenos. You can also add black beans or corn. Preheat your air fryer to 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 5 minutes. Now, let's assemble our nachos. Place a single layer of about 1 cup of tortilla chips into your air fryer basket or on a parchment liner. Next, sprinkle about 1/2 cup of shredded cheddar or Monterey Jack cheese over the chips. Then, evenly distribute your chopped vegetables, like bell peppers and onions, over the cheese. This layering helps everything melt and cook perfectly. It's time to air fry. Carefully place your assembled nachos into the preheated air fryer. Cook them for approximately 3 to 5 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Keep a close eye on them to prevent burning. The cheese should be bubbly and melted, and the vegetables should be slightly tender crisp. If making multiple batches, ensure you don't overcrowd the basket. Once your nachos are perfectly cooked, carefully remove them from the air fryer. Now for the fun part, toppings. Add a dollop of fresh salsa, a scoop of creamy guacamole, a spoonful of sour cream, or a sprinkle of fresh cilantro. These additions elevate the flavor and texture. Serve your delicious air-fried vegetarian nachos immediately and enjoy this quick and easy snack or meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.